Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get XRP pegged tokens into your MetaMask wallet. It's crucial to understand that MetaMask primarily supports tokens on Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks. Native XRP, however, operates on the XRP ledger, which is not directly compatible. To use XRP within MetaMask, you will need to acquire a wrapped version like WXRP on a supported network such as the BNB Smart Chain or Polygon. This allows you to manage an XRP-pegged asset using your familiar MetaMask interface. Once your MetaMask wallet is set up, the next step is to acquire wrapped XRP. First, purchase a supported cryptocurrency such as BNB or Matic from a centralized exchange. Then transfer these funds to your MetaMask wallet, ensuring you select the correct network like BNB Smart Chain or Polygon. Finally, connect your MetaMask to a decentralized exchange or DEX on that network. You can then swap your purchased cryptocurrency for the wrapped XRP token. Always double-check the token contract address before confirming any swap. After successfully swapping for wrapped XRP, you need to make it visible in your MetaMask wallet. First, find the official contract address for the specific wrapped XRP token you acquired on the network you used. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and scroll down to click the Import Tokens button. Select the Custom Token tab and paste the contract address into the designated field. The token symbol and decimals should automatically populate. Confirm the addition, and your wrapped XRP balance will now be displayed. Before concluding, remember a few vital points. Always ensure you have selected the correct network in your MetaMask wallet for every transaction to avoid losing funds. It is crucial to understand that wrapped XRP is a pegged asset, not the native XRP, and it carries different associated risks. Also, be mindful of network transaction fees, often referred to as gas, which are paid in the native cryptocurrency of that specific chain. Always prioritize security and double-check all details before confirming any transaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.